This morning, within Kangundo sub-county, we are woken up and found that we had two murder incidences within the sub-county. One occurred at Kivani Market, whereby there was a watchman who was walking home at night at around midnight. He was waylaid by a known gang and he was murdered. The same gang within Katanga Market waylaid another watchman who was from duty at Kangundo Township, and they hacked him with a very sharp object and he died on the spot. So we have launched investigations to establish the motive behind the murder of these innocent watchmen.